Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shikha. In this video, I'm going to create this beautiful purple partial cut crease eyeshadow look. If you want to know how to get this done, then please keep on watching. So first of all, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I'm here using Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. Before the application of eyeshadow, I'm going to prep my eyelids using Miss Claire concealer in the shade 02. Apply the concealer on your eyelid using a flat brush, or you can also use your finger. To remove the unevenness or to set the eye primer, I'm going to tap it with the help of a brush. Time to set the concealer. I'm here using Maybelline Master Fix Translucent Powder. To avoid dryness, use a minimal amount of product on your eyelid. Let's start with the application of eyeshadow. I'm here using this light brown shade as my first transition shade, and I'm here applying this shade just above my crease line. Apply the eyeshadow back and forth until you get the blended and seamless look. Moving on for the second shade, I'm going to use this dark brown shade and I'm going to apply it on my crease line and the outer V of the eye. To make it look more blended, I'm here using a clean blending brush. Time to cut the crease. For that, I'm using Kryolan concealer in the shade Ivory. To blend the edges, I'm here first applying this light brown shade. To give it more dimension, I'm going to apply this black shade on the outer V of my eye. Use a minimal amount of black eyeshadow. Now for the rest of my eyelid, I'm here using this purple shade. Just to smoke out my outer V, I'm here using the black shade. Using the same black shade to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm using light brown shade to further smudge my lower lash line. For the corner of my eyes, I'm going to use NYX Crystal Body Liner in the shade Purple. To tagline my eyes, I'm using Kajal from Blue Heaven. For waterline, I'm using Face Up White Gel Liner. Time for mascara. For that, I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. To highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm using Miss Claire Baked Eyeshadow in the shade 29. This is the end result, guys. If you like this look, please let me know in the comment section below. To watch more eye makeup tutorials, please subscribe to this channel. Goodbye and I'll see you next time.